Hey guys, how are you? So, we're here in the mountains. This is the Foothills Parkway, and I can see a hawk over there. But anyway, so I'm gonna turn the thing around, but first, just gonna give you an idea of where we are. That's a Carolina wren, and that's an indigo bunting. So, as you can see from the picture I took earlier, we've got our four elementals, right? Happy May Day, by the way. So, for the earth, I just brought some good fresh soil. And no, it didn't cost 99 cents. It was free. It was dirt. So there's our earth element. Let's see then. I had some loose sage that somebody had gifted me, so I always like using stuff that's been gifted. So this is going to be for the air element. And then bay leaves are associated with fire anyway. They bring protection and power, so they're going to represent the fire elemental. And then, of course, this is actually solstice water. Did we decide it was solstice water or moon water? Yeah, it was solstice water. So this is going to be for the water element.